See, there's nothing like a walk in the park to put things in perspective. Now, this weekend is a very big weekend, especially for people from our little neck of the woods. So, what are you? No, don't do that. Boar, no. So this weekend was something I thought we needed to get a perspective on. So you got Saturday night. Us, me and him, against the 55. So that's a team that we've already beaten. In my mind, we've already beaten them. So let's look ahead. Let's look to the future. And let's look at Sunday. Let's look. Let's look at the other two teams that we've got. You've got the Filthy Generation. I don't know if it's the Filthy Generation or Filthy Generation, but it doesn't sound good. I mean, you're just sounding clean. I don't like it. Shower, please. And besides, I think the only way you're going to beat us is you start necking on each other again, because, like, I'll just tap out there and then. So, you know, please don't do that. And then you've got the local fire. Oh, please let it be them. Actually, yeah, let it be them. Because we'll get a video. Yeah. Those things are cool, and it'll look like I've made it. So Joe, you know, and Davey, because you're there too. If you could, like, if you could win, so we could get a video, that'd be great. So, looking ahead to the week, don't piss on that. You can't piss on that. I mean, have some class. So looking ahead to the weekend, I think it's going to be as easy as a walk in the park. Thing is, parks I like to walk in tend to be full of dead people. Get down from there!